Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC. This comes in a blue exterior with a beige interior. Wood grain accents, sunroof, blind spot assist, 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz and GLA 250 badging, and a power opening and closing trunk. Rear seats, and a quick look up front. Memory seats with driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage in this vehicle is 20,566, and we have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio, navigation system, and backup camera. Climate control, center console, and shifter. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.